Hello, welcome to the next installment of Tim Talk. I'm here with a special guest, our school board president, Tom Westrick. Welcome, Tom, to Tim Talk.
Thanks, Tim. Glad to be here.
We're here to talk about tomorrow night's community facility workshop that the board is putting on for the community to come and be a part of the facility solutions conversation. And so with that, before we talk about our little props here, could you tell us a little bit more about tomorrow night's event?
Sure. We are listening to the community. The community have come to us and said they have a lot of ideas that they would like to have considered when it comes to taking care of our facility needs. So we're offering this opportunity not only for the people that have plans and solutions for our problem, but also the community, because we need the input from all the community, not just the ones that have plans for us to look at. So I'm really anxious to have a really crowded room on Wednesday night, and I'm looking forward to it.
So the event tomorrow starts at 5:45 with a tour of the current high school, and then at 6:30 the workshop will begin, and the tour is optional piece. The format will have people who have ideas and thoughts can go ahead and present to the board in about a 5 to 7 minute speech or presentation. If you do intend on participating in that portion of the program, please bring some detailed plans or some concepts, something that we can hand out to the board so they can digest it throughout the weeks as they are discussing facility options. The other piece to it will be a tabletop exercise, which we have right here on display, where there will be our current buildings with puzzle pieces that people can play with to try to put together solutions at various facilities, all the facilities, and come up with ideas using those pieces or potentially other ideas to discuss at the table. And what we're hoping for is a lot of participation. Come and listen to the conversation, be a part of the conversation, and provide ideas and suggestions to the board, so that way the board has as much information as possible as it looks forward to moving forward with a potential solution for our facilities.
Yeah, and again, all information is going to be made available to everyone, but please come tomorrow and get the information firsthand. And we're hoping that we have a lot of options that we can look at, hopefully some that we haven't thought of yet, and that may make some sense. So it's important that we get as many people to come out to this workshop as we can.
And so again, just a reminder, tomorrow 5:45 at the high school for a tour, 6:30 at the high school LMC for the workshop. And again, thank you, Tom, for joining us on Tim Talk.
Sure, you're welcome, anytime.
See you tomorrow night.
Okay.